After watching this video, you may be familiar with the rectangular pattern, user pattern and mirror tools in Catia software. So without wasting time, just start it. You can see here that two extrusions are there. One is a rectangular extrusion, another is cylindrical extrusion. Now the rectangular pattern means if I want this cylinder extrusion in linear direction, in two different directions. So what should I do? I can simply use this rectangular pattern to get the copies of this feature in linear directions. So let's activate the rectangular pattern tool, and in the dialog box the first thing you have to do is object to pattern. By defaultly it is always considers current solid. That means the entire body to get pattern. We don't want that, we want only this feature to be pattern. So that's why I have chosen the feature only. Then after, the direction is important. So by defaultly you can use by right clicking you can get the default values, or else you can use the any edge as a reference. So now see, it is started showing the instances. Now how many you want, put the enter in it. So for example, I want 10. I have entered 10 and I preview. And the distance should be 30 mm. Click on preview. See, now the objects are going beyond the our edge. What should I do? I want 10 objects, but so let's make it 11. Okay, so I want 5 on. I want 10 objects from this edge to that edge. So what should I do? You can do that by tapping on the more options here. So click on the more. So here in this row in the direction, the source object, you can give the number to the source object. So for example, here you can see I can put 6 and click on the preview. So now you can see the source object at the middle, and we have 5 on two different and on opposite directions. See, this is the use of this rectangular pattern. Now for example, it is a update the value to 13 and update it here as a 7. So now it is okay. In case if it is a odd numbers, it is okay, but what if it is a even number? Let's check it. So I want 12 objects, but if I give the source object number to 7, it is not forming the uniformly. See, one side is 5 and another side is 6. So this means that you cannot use this feature when you need even numbers. So then how can you do, if you want even numbers, how can you do that? So let's discuss that thing. So let's update the value as a 10, and we want only first object to be a first one. Sorry, it is not 0, it is a first one preview. So now okay, I want 10 objects from edge to edge. So that means I want 5 on this side and 5 on other side. Click on preview. Okay, so now what should you do? You can use the mirror tool for other side. So sometimes the mirror tool that cannot be mirrored again, and the pattern tools are also cannot be mirrored. What you can do, simply activate the mirror tool first and then choose the plane, mid plane. That's it. Many cases it will work. So that's it. So now we added only one direction in the pattern. If we want to add another direction also, so here in the dialog box, double clicking on the rectangular pattern, you can edit the feature again. So here you can see second direction. What should you do is select the reference and update the instances that you need. So see, all are forming on one direction only. So what should you do? You can give the source object number as 2. So not on direction 1. We have to update the number in direction 2. So here 2. Let me check it first. So 2, enter. See, click on OK. So this is because already the mirror tool is applied, that's why the entire pattern has obtained like this. So that's it about rectangular pattern, guys. So now for the user pattern, what I am doing is I'm making a small pocket option here. So here you can see I'm making a pocket like this. So here you can see there is a hole, and that feature is a. So in order to use user pattern, you need to put a points first in a separate sketch. How can you do that? So select a surface and position sketch. Now put points at each and every circles. So let me fast forward that process. So now you can see the points are there in every point. Now activate this user pattern tool, and in positions select the points where you want the object to pattern. You need to add the feature only here. Click on preview. Okay, so that's it about user pattern, guys. So what you have to do is you need to add a points. So that is for this video, guys.